Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a reproducible environment. Install VS Code, sign in, and enable settings sync so your preferences and extensions follow you. Once done, open or create a workspace folder and launch the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ to run commands immediately. Next, install the core language extensions for the languages you use: Python, JavaScript, C++, Go, Rust, because extensions provide syntax, IntelliSense, and debugging support, which you need before writing code effectively. Now you configure the editor for consistent workflow. Open Settings, JSON to set tab size, enable format on save, and wire linting rules so code quality is enforced automatically. Then create tasks, JSON to automate builds and scripts, and launch. JSON to define debugger targets and breakpoints for each language. This lets you run and debug with a single key. Also install linters and formatters like ESLint or Black, and add snippets so repetitive code is generated quickly and accurately. Finish by optimizing for daily use. Pin frequently used extensions, set autosave or hot exit, and add a README to your workspace describing commands and tasks. Use remote containers or WSL for consistent, isolated environments when dependencies differ across projects. Make sure breakpoints and watches are working in your debugger before deep testing. If something breaks, try one key troubleshooting step. Reload the window, inspect the output and developer tools console, and reinstall or clear the extension cache if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.